We want to install WordPress in our local machine in Windows 10. We can use XAMPP or WAMP server, but they are outdated right now. We can use more intelligent software and faster way by using WP local. Let's search for local WP, localwp.com, and then click for download for free. Choose your platform. Mine is Windows, and then input your first name, your last name, and then choose I am an independent freelancer, and then get it now. It will start download, and I already downloaded the local WP file. Let's go to my download folder, and here is I want to install it. Click on install, double click on it. So local WP is very easy to navigate, and it will download your WordPress from server for you. If you use XAMPP or WAMP server, you need to download WordPress latest version from there, and then copy all the files and paste it into the C drive, and from there go to your XAMPP or WAMP folder, and from there you will install. For every WordPress website you created, you need to do that. But in local, you don't have to worry about the code copy and paste, finding links or anything. You just create a WordPress project, and then it will create your project right away and download from the server WordPress. So click next, and they will install some Visual Basic code from server that is missing in our PC. So our local is downloaded, and run our local. So local is opening right now. Let's wait. Okay, our local is opening right now. Click on terms and conditions, agree, and then so local need to create a free account, but we can use local without an account. Click on the cross button, and then no thanks. Okay, so that's it. Local is installed, and now we will create our WordPress website from there. So create a new website, and then I want to create a new website. Select it, and then continue, and then your website name, my WP website. Okay, so check what is the option. So we can select or change that dot local. We can change it, my local website dot site. Okay, we can use that, and then continue. I always prefer this. Will select your latest PHP version, latest MySQL version, and your web server and Nginx. Okay, continue, and your WordPress username and password. Since I use it for my development purpose, I always use admin and admin for my password. We can change it later if we submit the website to the server. We can change them. So this your website is multi-site. No, I don't want multi-site. This one is single site. Okay, and then add your site. So allow access, and then your local is trying to connect your a local machine and from the server of the WordPress, and they need to access my server and my command prompt to command behind the scenes and connect to WordPress server. So as you see, already my WordPress is connected, and he download the WordPress from the server for my website, my WP website dot site. After completing the WordPress, we don't need to do anything. They will install the database, they will set up and connect the database. So if we use XAMPP or WAMP, we need to manually go to WordPress and install our WordPress, like from this user root, and then you select the versions, select the site title and everything. If you use XAMPP, you surely know. So let's wait, we'll back after downloading the WordPress. So our WordPress is downloading, and download completed, and it now added our WordPress to our website. So WordPress has several features and plans. You can host your website from there. They will create like your website, my website.wordpress.com. You can create a site like that, but this is not ideal for your business. If you are a developer, you can not use it either also, but you cannot control the whole backend from there. Okay, it's say that my website is now set up completely, so we can, and my website is start already, so we can stop the site from there and start our site from there. Click on open our website, and it will go to, yes, my website is open and it completely set up. And go to WP admin to select our admin panel, and we use our username and password from admin and admin. Okay, and log in. Our WordPress dashboard is, now we are visiting WordPress dashboard. WordPress is completely set up, so no extra hassle for our WordPress. So if we want to see our WordPress installation folder, so go to the site folder, and now you can see these are opened, and from there go to app and then public, and this is our WordPress folders, and the WordPress downloaded from the server and installed it for us. Okay. If we want to use VS Code to open our website with VS Code for the development, we'll just click on VS Code. If you have VS Code on your machine installed, just click on it, yes. If you don't know how to install and download your VS Code, link in the description below. So our VS Code is opening with our folder. So these are all the folders from the backend. So these installed by WP local, and we can access all the folders and files right away. So this is the complete overview of WP local. You can see the database from there. You can see the tools. So if you want to go to your database, you can see that the database is used in MySQL. Okay, you can open or connect your database. So if you want to click the database, and WP Local has a different outlook for the database from the XAMPP server or PHP MyAdmin. Okay, this is the admin panel, and here is our database, all of the tables, and we can access or edit or delete from there. Okay, I enjoy your WordPress download. If you have any problem, just comment below and subscribe.